and a light on, and... Hello?
Hello, Mum. Oh, it's so cold in here. Don't you ever turn off the radiators?
Helen, why aren't you in Exeter? It's still term time, isn't it?
Oh, I left. Why is the fridge empty? There's not even any toast.
Oh, darling, what a lovely surprise. You left.
I've missed you, Mum.
Oh,
Come and sit down. There's nothing on telly. It was EastEnders, but it's rubbish. Oh, and I finished those chocolate digestives that were on the table.
the delight of hugging someone you adore, mixed with the inevitability of noticing that her shoes are dirtying the cushion and that there's a used tea bag on the kitchen surface. And so Waddenbrook winds down for the night. Dishwashers are turned on, tomorrow's lunches are prepared, films are fallen asleep in front of, and Esther and Jonathan Cragg traipse wearily up the stairs to brush their teeth, dress in baggy, stained T-shirts, and avoid eye contact whilst trying for a baby.
North by Northamptonshire was written by Catherine Jaques. The narrator was Sheila Hancock, also starring Felicity Montague, Kevin Eldon, Penelope Wilton, Mackenzie Crook, Geoffrey Palmer, Lizzie Roper, Jessica Hennick, Rufus Wright, John Biggins, and Catherine Jaques. The producer was Victoria Lloyd.
Hello, Rod here with a final update on the lost child who's been waiting all day for his mummy to claim him. We worked out from the suggestive texts he's been sending to Brenda until 1 that his name is Adam Freeney and he's 17. So no need for concern. The Benson and hedges with which his rucksack was stuffed have been returned and he's been charged for the Monster March. Brenda until 1 has volunteered to drive him home. So good news all round. I love you, Tanya.
And you can hear the second part of North by Northamptonshire next week at the same time, when Jan is wondering whether having her daughter Helen living back at home is really what she wants. Stephen Fry and Hugh Laurie had a huge hit in the 1980s and 90s with their TV sketch show A Bit of Fry and Laurie. Now BBC Radio 4 Extra presents a collection of some of the best bits of A Bit.
I don't know if I ever told you about the day I forgot my legs. I can't remember which day it was. It was one of the ones that happened in 1987. Can't recall which one exactly, there were so many. In particular, there were quite a lot of Tuesdays then, I remember, so I've a feeling it may have been one of those. Anyway, I was on my way into work with Sir Peter Thornycroft, no relation, one fresh June morning in early May. And we took the shortcut across the fields. I stooped, I recall, to pick a buttercup. Why people leave buttocks lying around, I've no idea.
Choice morsels from their acclaimed TV series. A Bit of Fry and Laurie on Sunday night at 11:30 on BBC Radio 4 Extra. The digital station for comedy, drama and entertainment. BBC Radio 4 Extra. Now, Angus Deaton stars in a sitcom about the...
Any more details? Fine. Good. Well, I suppose we better eat.